And welcome back everybody to this video. So Black Myth Wukong just get a crack, and of course for people like me have a chance to try it now. So as always, our subscribers requesting MFG mod or multi-frame generation mod for games, and in today's video are going to add MFG or DLSS multi-frame generation. In fact, it's FSR multi-frame generation to Black Myth Wukong. So everything in NODIX stick is special. In other YouTube videos, you have to download files and search for the game folder and many things. For me or for my channel, just download my NODIX DLSS Enabler Manager. You can download from GitHub, and if you have issues, you can report issues here. And also you can download from our website. By downloading from our website, you will support me because there is ads. Just extract and you will find our app. Give it a time to load. Also not for Black Myth Wukong only, you can also add this to other games. So the app didn't read Black Myth Wukong here because it's cracked version. Not always the app reads cracked games, so we have to click on add games and just go to Black Myth Wukong folder, select folder, and the app will show the game here. Just click install mode installed successfully. Mod installed successfully. So now what we have to do is just launching our game, and if you want to install just by one click, you are going to do this. Let's go. So if you press the Tilde key in your keyboard, this menu will just be opened. As you can see, first we have to enable DLSS frame generation in the game settings. Okay, let's go with 4 times, and just by this, opening the menu again. As you can see, it's working. We can enable here Ghost Booster to reduce ghosting, and we have here MFG override. By using this, you can use 6 times MFG. Also, we have here stats bar. You can enable it. Make sure to save settings from here. As you can see, okay, we are generating 5 frames with 1 frame. Between 2 frames, you have 5. And okay, Black Myth Wukong has some status issue when you launch the game, as you can see. Okay, let's change this. Let's go with 4 times because it's going to be playable with 4 times. As you can see, I have 200 Hz monitor, and the experience here looks amazing. And this game doesn't suffer a lot with the ghosting that comes from frame generation, so it's amazing. So subscribe to the channel to keep working. See you in the next video.